Hey guys, before I get into my usual intro like I usually do in the beginning of every video, I feel like an apology is owed to you guys. In one of my last videos during the Q&A bodyboard edition, I mentioned multiple times that I would leave the links to the websites down in the description below of different websites that you can go to get your own bodyboard. And I won't lie to you guys, that ended up being a forgotten step. And when I was uploading it, that was literally one of the last things that I meant to do, and I just forgot. And I do sincerely apologize to all of you, so hopefully to make up for it, I will not only be attaching those links in the description down below of this video, but I will also be attaching those same links in the next Q&A that I will be doing very soon, part 2, stand-up edition. Now, back to the video.
What's up, Flow family? Welcome back to another video with your local Flow Prodigy. If it is your first time on this channel, I'm Brendan Perez, and don't forget to hit that red subscribe button to see more videos like this one. In this video, we're going to be going over
how to Bigspin. Let's get into it. So a Bigspin is a combination of a backside 360 and a shove it at the same time. So just a quick disclaimer, in this video you're going to notice that I am using two different stand-up boards, and honestly this is actually a board that I have used before in the past, and I just happen to feel like experimenting in this video, so I thought I'd give this board a try again, and for some random reason it was riding a little better than usual, if that makes sense. This is a 40-inch Flowrider Outlaw board, usually goes for in the $400 to $500 range. Now, before attempting the Bigspin, there are two things that you need to make sure that you have down. First, you need to make sure that you have good backside 360s. Second, you need to make sure that you have a strong shove it. Now for the foot positioning. You're literally going to treat the Bigspin just like a normal shove it, except the only difference is you're adding a spin to it, a 360, if you will. Now, we're going to step onto the board, and just like any other trick, I personally usually go with shoulder width apart, just like usual, with my back foot towards the tail. And because I do feel it's a little easier, I will even wrap my toes of my back foot around my tail for an easier grasp and a better flick. Now, just to get an idea on how the trick is going to feel, I would definitely practice the Bigspin a couple times on the grates of your Flowrider. I wouldn't recommend practicing on the normal hard floor, it will easily scratch up your board. Now, you want to start the trick off as if you're about to begin your backside 360 or even a backside ollie 180. As soon as your rotation begins, you want to begin to throw the shove it at the exact same time as you begin your rotation. Now, out of the full 360 rotation, you want to be throwing and landing your shove it halfway into the 360 rotation, meaning that by the time you do a full 180, you should already be landing on your board, or at least getting close to that point as possible. Now, in terms of wipeouts, in all honesty, if the Bigspin is not performed correctly, the most that would just happen is either the board slides out from under you just like any other trick, or when you land on the board, you'll land completely off balance and you'll wipe up off the wave.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, definitely leave a thumbs up down below. And since you're still here, might as well show some more love and hit that bell-shaped icon. That's the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you on the next one.